Most butterfly tattoos look like cheap stickers, but these 5 placement techniques will make your next ink look like actual art on your skin. Hello tattoo lovers! Welcome to Tattoo 18 channel. Today, we're going to take a close-up look at a simple yet elegant butterfly tattoo created on a girl's hand using liner work. If you are a beginner tattoo artist or someone who loves delicate tattoos, this video is definitely for you. Watch this video fully without skipping because you may learn some useful tips for my tattooing style. And if you enjoy this video, please subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, comment your thoughts, and share this video with beginner artists. Before tattooing, the most important thing is placement. A butterfly tattoo may look small, but the right position can completely change its appearance. Placement tip number 1. Always follow the natural curve of the hand. When the wings align with the flow of the skin, the butterfly appears more alive and elegant. Tip number 2. Avoid placing the design too close to the fingers. Leaving a little breathing space makes the tattoo look more balanced and professional. Tip number 3. Use the center line of the hand as your guide. Symmetry is very important for butterfly tattoos because even a small imbalance can be noticeable. Tip number 4. Consider how the hand moves. The butterfly should look beautiful both when the hand is relaxed and when it is stretched. And finally, tip number 5. Keep the design simple. Clean lines and proper spacing create a timeless look instead of making the tattoo appear crowded. Now let's talk about the equipment used for this tattoo. For this liner work, I used dynamic regular black ink, which gives a rich and consistent black shade. The needle used is a 3-round liner long taper needle, perfect for creating thin, crisp, and smooth lines. The machine is a Deutschland rotary machine with a 4mm stroke setup. This stroke length provides excellent power and control for liner work. The machine speed is tuned to 8 volts, giving a steady performance and helping maintain consistent line quality throughout the tattoo. As you can see in this close-up, every line is created slowly and carefully. Tattooing is not about speed. It is about patience, precision, and confidence. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced artist, remember that mastering simple designs like this butterfly will improve your line work and help you build a strong foundation. I hope this video gives you some inspiration and useful knowledge. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and share it with your tattoo artist friends. And most importantly, subscribe to Tattoo 18 for more tattoo tutorials, machine reviews, tattoo tips, and amazing tattoo ideas. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.